Hello students, in nature, nothing is perfect and everything is perfect. If you would say that there are many things which are imperfect, but still it is perfect, right? Like trees can be contorted, bent in weird ways, and they are still beautiful. Nature is very beautiful because we observe growth and development in living things. As we have seen beauty in bird sound in our last poem, Birds Talk. Now I'll show you some more birds and its information. So here you can see different birds and their sounds.
Cardinal, goldfinch, pigeon, woodpecker, blackbird, sparrow, blue jay, blue tit, flamingo, heron, nightingale, penguin,
Understood, students? You got different sounds of different birds. You have seen different colored birds, right? I shown you this video because our next topic is also related to birds. Our topic name is Nina and the baby sparrows. See, sparrows. I've shown here this picture. I'll read it. Everyone listen now. Nina and the baby sparrows. There was great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother, and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Everyone was happy except Nina. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. What color would you like? Mother asked. I don't want a new dress, mother, said Nina. Salwar kameez then? Nina shook her head. What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? I don't want those either. Thank you, mother. Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. They went back home and had lunch. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina. What is it, child? She asked. Why did you say no to everything? Now see. There was great joy in Nina's house. Okay. There was great joy in Nina's house because of something good news, right? Nina's aunt was getting married. See why everyone was very happy in Nina's house? Because Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother, and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Her family wanted to go to Delhi for her aunt's marriage. Okay, everyone was happy. except Nina. Oh, so all of them were happy in their family. But Nina was not happy. She was so sad. What could be the reason? Nina was also the same age of like you only. Then also she was not happy here. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. Mothers are very expert, very intelligent. They understood their child. Okay, if mother child is not happy, mother get it quickly and she tries to do something for the child to make them happy. Okay, her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. So what mother did here? She took her to the market to buy a new dress. So mother asked her, what color would you like? मदर ने उसे पूछा. Okay, I don't want a new dress, mother, said Nina. But Nina don't wanted to buy anything. She said, I don't want new dress, mother. Then mama ने फिर से पूछा, सलवार कमीज then? Nina shook her head. What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? Mama asked her once again about white shoes. It was lovely. But then also she said, I don't want those either. Thank you, mother. Now it's showing manners of talking here. Though she was upset, she was sad, she don't wanted to take anything from mother. Still she said thank you mother and talking very politely. Whatever is the situation, we should have to speak politely with our elders. Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. जब नीना के मम्मी ने ये सब देखा तो नीना की मम्मी अपसेट हो गई. शी वॉज सो अपसेट. बट मम्मी ने कुछ नहीं बोला. दे वेंट बैक होम एंड हैड लंच. आफ्टर गोइंग होम they had lunch. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina. Again, mother came and sat with Nina, and she started talking. What happened to my child? Why did you say no to everything? Okay, mother asked lovingly to Nina. Now you can see here picture. When mother and Nina was in the market, tears was there in her eyes. Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. Nina said, Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. See, small children are very excited to go for the wedding, but Nina was not excited. She don't wanted to go to the wedding. But why? Okay, mother asked here, but why? Nina said nothing instead. Two big tears rolled down her cheeks. Mother put her arms around Nina. Don't cry, my pet, she said. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? ओके, तो जैसे ही मम्मा ने पूछा कि आपको क्यों नहीं आना है, नीना सेड नथिंग इंस्टेड. नीना ने कुछ भी नहीं कहा. टू बिग टीयर्स रोल डाउन हर चीक्स. Two big tears rolled down on her cheeks, and mother put her arms around Nina. Means, when she saw that my girl, my daughter is crying, she hugged her daughter and said, Don't cry, my pet. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? Mama is asking, Mama is talking with her daughter. She said, Why don't you tell me? आपको क्या परेशान कर रहा है? बॉदरिंग यू मीन्स परेशान कर रहा है. मोर टीयर्स रोल डाउन नीनास चीक. जैसे ही मम्मा ने उसे हग किया, मम्मा ने उसे पूछा प्यार से, तो मम्मा को नीना जो थी वो ज़ोर ज़ोर से रोने लगी. मदर, शी सेड, देयर इज पैरोज नेस्ट ऑन द बुक शेल्फ इन माई room, and there are two baby sparrows in the nest. I see, said mother. Okay, now mama got it. What was the reason why Nina don't wanted to go to the wedding? So Mama is saying, I see. They are just beginning to get their feathers and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry cheep cheep asking for food. I see, said mother. If we go, the whole place will be locked. And how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? Now, when her mother started asking Nina what was the thing bothering her, she started saying everything. She said, there are two baby sparrows in my room, okay, in the nest, and now they are growing. While growing, they feel so hungry, and the full day they cry chip chip, asking for food. What Nina is imagining here, when the baby sparrows are making sound of chip chip, it means they are asking for food. Just look at her imagination here. तो मम्मा जब बोलती है कि ओके अगेन शी सेड देन इफ वी गो what why she don't wanted to go to the wedding, because she is thinking about that baby sparrows. She is thinking if we all will go to wedding, our door will be locked, and then how papa and mama sparrows feed their babies. Due to this reason she was so much worried. If we go, the whole place will be locked. And how will Papa and Mamma sparrows feed their babies? Oh, Nina, cried Mother, giving her a big hug. Is that why you don't want to go to the wedding? But that's no problem at all. We will leave the window open. Oh, can we, Mother? Can we? Really? Yes, yes, we will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside. So the house will be perfectly safe, and Papa and Mama sparrows can come and go freely. Freely too. Now see, when she said her problem with her to her mother, mother gave quick solution, right? Same thing happens with us also, right, children? If you have any problem, if you are in tension of anything like your homework, someone beat you, someone shout you, when you discuss these all things with your mother, you feel very cool, right? You feel relaxed, so because you get quick solution from your parents. Just think, Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? It was a good idea. When Nina come back from the wedding, there were two little sparrows flying all over the room. And wasn't Nina thrilled? ओके मम्मा ने बताया कि when we will go to the wedding, these baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Okay, it was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room. When they came back, she was very excited to see to that baby sparrows. When she saw that, she saw two plump little sparrows. Plump means अच्छे से healthy वाले, healthy plump little sparrows flying all over the room. And wasn't Nina thrilled? Thrilled मतलब बहुत ही खुश हुई वो. Okay, we have new words in this lesson. Let's see. First word is market. Market means a place for purchase and sale of commodities. I have given here one sentence. We went to market to buy vegetables. Second, bother. Bother means to worry. You do not have to bother about my homework. Third new word is problem. Problem means difficulty. Sentence. This problem is difficult to solve. Number 4. Dress. Put on one's clothes. Sentence. My dress is blue in color. Number 5. Upset. Upset means unhappy. Sentence: she was upset about going back to school. Number 6. Remove. To get rid of. Sentence: he finally removed my name from the list. Number 7. Wedding. Wedding means a marriage ceremony. Sentence: I met my best friend in a wedding. 8 number. Lovely. Lovely means very beautiful. Sentence: she was wearing a lovely dress. Plump. Plump means chubby. Sentence: the fruit berries were plump. Now let's see the question and answer. Reading is 1. Why was there great joy in Nina's house? Answer: there was great joy in Nina's house because her aunt was getting married. Second question: why was Nina worried? Answer: Nina was worried that who would feed the baby sparrows. Question number 3. What did the mother suggest? Answer: Mother suggested that they would leave the window open. Number 4. What did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? Answer: Nina found two plump little sparrows flying in the room. Now it's your talk time. Question number 1. How do baby sparrows eat? Answer: parent sparrows feed them, they just swallow the food. Number 2. What new things would you like to wear for a wedding? You can say, I would like to wear, and you have to complete the sentence. Answer how you will write here. See, I would like to wear jeans and shirt or frock. I would also like to wear jacket and goggles. You can add your favorite things here. Picture story. Number the jumbled picture story carefully, then write the story in proper order. Now this picture is given in your book. You have to observe this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points are given here. Okay. So you have to arrange it properly. See, you have given first sentence, it would be Nina is sad. Second, mother asks why. Third, Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Mother says we will leave the window open. And the last one is Nina is happy again. Now you have to draw a bird. I have shared here one video. You can see it. Draw the bird with the help of this drawing. Now look at carefully everyone. Very easy method is given here for drawing bird. Word building. Write down suitable words describing each picture. Pick up the words from the list given below. Okay. In your book, some pictures are given where you have to use proper words. Okay. One woman picture is there. You have to write there a fat woman. In the second, a red rose, a happy boy, a beautiful peacock, a blackboard, a tall man.